everyone. For this, grease your hairs and then take the middle part of your hairs as shown in the video. Now braid it into section and then take remaining hairs and start braiding it nicely and gently as shown in the video. Now complete it nicely on the both the sides. Now take another sections of your hairs and tie it with the rubber band as shown in the video. Now attach it all together, make a cute little bun out of it, and it's done. For the next one, take the front section of your hairs and braid it nicely. Now take the remaining hairs and start braiding your hairs as shown in the video and make cute little beads out of it, and it's done. For the next one, make a ponytail and then make a braid out of it. Now take the remaining hairs and pull it inside out and then attach the braid to it. Now make a cute little bow out of it and attach it with the help of a rubber band. Make two sections out of it, attach it to the top, and it's done. For the next one, make a front section of your hairs and then do it as shown in the video. Now take the rubber band and fix it. Now take the remaining hairs and make it into ponytail as shown in the video. Now attach the front part and it's all done. It's cute, right? Thanks for watching.